guys, welcome to Decor Lab. In this video, we'll be showing you how to create this mermaid setup. Each element used for the setup, you can either find a link in the description or find a video on how to create it yourself. Are you guys ready? Let's get started. First thing first, let's go over the materials and bases that we will use. Here we're using a double stuffed balloons. Passion lilac inside of the white. Black inside of the empowerment. Black inside of the canyon rose. And black inside of the sea glass. As our accent balloons, we will use light blue Japanese orbs and light blue wave mylar for our tail. For our bases, we chose our wooden boho arch, painted in colors complementing our setup, our wooden boards, and our lavender sequin panels. Let's put our base together. We put our wooden boards in place and assemble 2 by 3 foot pieces of sequins and attach it to the board. Here, you can use screws to screw them in, or if you would like to save your boards from patching work afterwards, you can use clamps or larger binder clips. We will use binder clips. The next piece of assembled sequin panels we will attach to the top piece that is already secured in place and secured to the side. Now, we will do the same with our second board. Lastly, let's put our boho rainbow arch in between. Now let's create a mermaid tail. For that, we have created the quads of balloons of different diameter. The bottom piece, we will start with 17-inch quads. The next size up will be 11-inch inflated to a 9-inch capacity. Then, our 11-inch inflated to a 7-inch capacity. Then our 5-inch balloons. We will connect quads to each other and a board with 260s. Now, let's add our tail to it. We will inflate our curved mylars with a hand pump. Then, using the U-glue dashes, we will secure them together in one position. Now, we will attach a 260 to the base of it and then tie it to the top of our tail garland. Our tail is ready. Let's finish up our display with 2 garlands on each side and attach it to our board with sequins. For that, I have created deuces and simply create a garland mismatching sizes and colors. Now, we'll attach our garland with 260s to our binder clips that are clipped to the board. up would be our orbs. We have our orbs matching our tail color. Let's place them around the garland to accent it. And just like that, our mermaid display is ready. Here we used 36 sequin panels, 450 balloons, including the ones stuffed inside. We used orbs and mylar curves for tail. We used 2 wooden boards and 1 wooden boho arch. It took 2 people about an hour to put it together, but remember, our balloons were pre-stuffed and pre-inflated, so remember that managing your time. And here you have it, the mermaid setup for the outdoor party. This display is perfect for mermaid or under the sea theme. Play with the colors of it to match any other themes. Do not forget about our webinars that will run every Thursday at 6 p.m. EST. Here, we dive in deeper in business, decor tips, mockups, and similar topics. You can access new and all the previous webinars with an elite membership. Keep on shining, boo, and I will see you in the next video.